Tutorial: Managing Windows in Packet Tracer. This tutorial shows you how to manage multiple windows when Packet Tracer is launched locally. Load an existing activity. Upon opening, the instructions window appears. It behaves like all windows in Microsoft Windows and creates an item on the taskbar. It will also move to the background if another window is activated. When the instructions window is hidden from view, the taskbar item can be used to bring it to the foreground. To prevent the instructions window from dropping into the background, select the top checkbox. Click on the Packet Tracer main window. The instructions window is out of focus, but it is still in the foreground. Move the window out of the way to view the workspace. The following examples are optimized for a situation where only one monitor is available. In cases where multiple monitors are available, there are more possibilities for managing Packet Tracer windows. If you have a number of device configuration windows open at the same time, the screen can get very cluttered and hard to use. You can select an already open window by clicking on Packet Tracer in the Windows taskbar and then selecting the sub-window that you want. Another method to organize your device windows is to go to Options, Preferences, Miscellaneous, and select the Show Device Dialog Taskbar checkbox. This will create a taskbar in the Windows workspace and show the names of the devices there. When you click on a name in this toolbar, that device will come to the front. You also have the ability to keep most windows on top of the workspace if you select the top checkbox in the lower left corner of the device box. But this can also become an issue if you select too many devices to stay on top. This ends the Managing Windows in Packet Tracer tutorial.